What is something that you did with your first baby that you totally forgot to do with your second baby? I'll go first. I totally forgot when I should stop burping my baby. I bottle feed her and I just totally forgot. I asked the doctor today at her 4-month checkup and she said I can kind of lean off of burping her. I'm like, yay, because especially for those nighttime feedings, I don't really have to stay up, until she burps. But yeah, I had totally forgot. I don't know how I forgot, but anyway, yeah. So if you didn't know, I think you can start leaning them off as soon as 4 months. But I mean, if your baby's still like spitting up or you can see that they're gassy, then my doctor did recommend to continue, burping them. But every baby is different, so yeah, just wanted to share.